Hi, this is Tom. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the writing module in Scupper. I have the Dubai kind of 2020 round running here, and we're going to click on the writing shortcut to open the writing module. The writing module allows you to either directly enter scores. For example, here I can just Control F and go down to the find box and enter a number and type in a score and do this until I'm done. For small rounds that may be just fine. Okay, let's clear those out. You can clear all the scores out with an option here, and they're gone. A second way is to enter the scores in another program and then import them in. We have a second program open here. In my sample rounds, I have a copy of this. It's the round essay keys. In this one, we have several people have keyed in scores, presumably scientifically. You can take any of those, grab a section of the columns that contain the ID number, the score, and the judge, and the program will figure out which of those is which by looking at what kind of numbers are there. And then you can copy those and paste those over here with the paste data, or the down here the paste data, either one, and it will enter them. They're all here now, actually. If we sort them out, you can see these are just the scores that were entered in that one spreadsheet. I'm going to clear those out again. Now we'll go back into the spreadsheet, and actually I have a section here where I've consolidated all of the scores, and we'll put that in here and copy that section of the table and copy that, and it's all cleared out now. And once again we'll just hit paste data and it will paste in all of the scores. It's being a little slow because I think they're sorted wrong. I think if I had them sorted by ID here, they'd be much quicker. In any case, it doesn't take too long either way. It's doing a lot of unnecessary sorting for some reason. I think they're being sorted by judge at the moment. Okay, now they're all in, so that's step one. We've got the scores into the score column. Now, we can do a transformation here to get them into the final score that we want to enter, and that is, we can either copy them over just directly. So I would use scale, and I would simply copy them over like this, copy the score value directly to the average column without any changes, and then break all ties. And so it will do that, and it'll go through and just copy them over and then break ties by adding a small random number to each score until there's no ties. The other way you can do this is to allow the program to normalize them based on each judge's mean and standard deviation. And we'll do that here. Either one takes the same amount of time, not much. And now they're all in, and if we look now at the compile table here, the writing scores are all here. There's one more detail we might sometimes like to do, and that is we can actually enter a top score for each column. So we'll go back to our spreadsheet, and we've done that. We had that done here at this round. Here are the top seniors. So if I highlight the seniors' top scores in order, we've just simply put them in order. This is by the committee said this was the top scoring paper and so forth, each one down to about place 13. We'll copy those, move into here and choose the seniors. Now to do this you have to do one division at a time, and paste those over here, and then just hit the top skew button and it'll put them in. And then we'll do the juniors and grab the junior scores right here and copy those, paste them over here, and hit the top skew. And now our writing scores are in. So now if you look at the main compile table, the writing scores are all in. The scores have been re-added up and everything's been scaled. So we're good to go. Now, there's one more thing that how do you get the how do you go about getting the spreadsheet to record them in if you want to have a group of people recording them? Here we have a little bot that creates the spreadsheet automatically. Just click on that and it will create a writing record sheet. And here it's working in the background here. It's building that. And when it's done, it will ask us if we want to save it. And it's going to save it in the round folder. And we'll just say, okay, save it there. And we've already done this once, but it's in there. And so now it's been saved. And a good place then to move that to is the Google Doc. And so let me grab that out of the round folder. Let's see, the round folder is back here. Rounds, Global Round, Dubai Kind of 2020, and the most recent one is down at the very bottom. And so just grab that and put it over here, and it'll upload. Then you can open that up. Once it's uploaded, you can share it by copying a link. Copy the link and paste that in Telegram, and the group can all have access to your spreadsheet. All right, so that's it. That's pretty much all there is to it. That's the writing. Thanks for listening.